In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Modal Popup in Figma. By the end, you'll have a simple, clickable prototype where a button triggers a modal-style screen. We'll keep it straightforward using Figma's built-in prototyping tools so you can follow along even if you're just getting started. First, open Figma in your browser or the desktop app and head to your workspace. Open an existing draft file you want to use or create a new project if you prefer to start fresh. If you're opening a draft, pick the file that contains the layout where you want the modal to appear. Think of the main frame as your page and the modal content as a separate frame you'll navigate to. In your design, click the element that will trigger the modal, such as a login button. With that selected, switch to the prototype tab on the right panel. This is where we'll wire up the interaction that makes your design feel real. Click Add Interaction to create a new link. For the trigger, choose On Click because we want the modal to open when the user taps or clicks the button. Next, set the action to Navigate to. For the destination, pick the frame that represents your modal content. Here, that's the login page. If you're using a separate frame designed to look like a modal, make sure it includes a dimmed backdrop and a centered card so it reads as a pop-up. While Open Overlay is another common approach for modals, we'll keep it simple and stick with Navigate to for this walkthrough. Now it's time to test. Click the Preview Play button in the top right corner to launch the prototype. Give it a moment to load. When the preview window opens, click your Login button and confirm that it takes you to the modal style frame. If the transition feels too abrupt, you can adjust the animation in the interaction details to something like Smart Animate or a gentle dissolve for a more polished feel. That's the core flow. Open your file, select your trigger button, switch to prototype, add an interaction, set it to on click, choose Navigate to, pick your modal destination, and preview. If you want to refine the experience later, you can design a close icon on the modal and wire it back to the original frame, or explore overlays for a more traditional modal effect. For now, you've built a clear, testable interaction that communicates your intent to teammates and stakeholders.